I collected 216 vapes to build a lithium-based battery pack. Thanks to my friends at NU Vape who invented this vape recycling bin. They get 100 vapes per bin every week and you get 2 Rand 50 off your next purchase. Alright, so let's have a look at this battery configuration or battery build that we're working on here. So what we commonly find in the bins recycled is the smaller vapes, the 0.5 amp hour, and the medium size, the 1 amp hour vapes. And this is because these are very inexpensive on the market at the moment. You can find them for less than 100 rands or slightly more than 100 rands. And they're labeled disposable, so which means when customers are done using them, they just throw them away because the manufacturer, to make the product cheaper, they didn't incorporate a charger in them. These are actually rechargeable batteries. There are rechargeable batteries inside that can have a secondary use that could actually be used for other energy needs. So what we're doing in this project is we're going to be using these for an e-scooter. So, but we have to increase the amp hour rating. So amp hour, when you think of amp hour, is basically capacitance. It's the capacity rather of the battery. So in simple ways, you could think of it as if you had a load that pulls 1 amp, it could pull it for 1 hour, right? So we're going to connect it up in parallel. We're going to connect the cells up in parallel to increase the capacity of the battery. So we have 24 of the parallel cell of the smaller 0.5 amp hour vapes. So those 24 cells, we're going to pair them up. We basically have an output capacitance of, or capacity of 12 amp hours. So what that means is we're gonna either pull 12 amps for 1 hour, or we can pull 1 amp for 12 hours, if that makes sense. So that one cell or battery is going to be rechargeable, it's going to be lighter, and it's going to be smaller than the battery that it is replacing. So essentially we'll have a 12 amp hour at 3.7 volts nominal battery that we're going to connect in series, and we're going to then achieve a 12 amp hour battery rated at 12 volts. So to have an idea of what that means is, this is the battery that's currently rated at 12 volts, 12 amp hour, and we're going to build this pack here that is equivalent to it using a single vape. So in this configuration, I think we'll have about 72 vapes put together. But for our e-scooter, we're going to need to increase the voltage. So it means we're going to have to create 3 more of these packs, and because our e-scooter is rated at 36 volts, it works with a 36 volts input. And when we're done with that, the e-scooter will be rechargeable, it will be lighter and smaller. Maybe you can include actually faster as well. Yep, so that's it. It is now late in the evening. I'm gonna just finish up this 12 volt module I've been working on before bed. I aim to keep these mini vlogs shorter, but if you've made it this far, thank you. Feel free to share, comment, and follow me. You can find me across all socials. I am at Snetemba Yamani on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and you can also check out my friends at nuvape.co.za who invented the vape recycling bin. Thank you for watching.